Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel SK Solutions. My name is Deepthi Madhuri and I am a Tally trainer. In previous video, we discussed about the introduction of recording and maintaining accounting transactions, and we also overview the different types of vouchers in Tally Prime. Today in this video, we are going to learn about one of the accounting voucher, that is contra voucher, and we also learn about how to record transactions in contra voucher. So let's get started. Under accounting vouchers, now we are discussing about contra voucher. As we learned earlier, the contra voucher record those transactions that affect both cash and bank. And the shortcut key of contra voucher is F4. So use these shortcut keys only, don't use the mouse. And there are four types of banking transactions that record in contra voucher. Cash to bank transactions, bank to cash transactions, one bank account to another bank account, and one cash account to another cash account. Let us learn how to enter these transactions in contra voucher. Here, these are the contra entries that we are required to enter in contra voucher. So first enter into Tally Prime app and create a company. Enter the company name, address, state. After giving all the details, then press Ctrl A to save it. Then the affluent features of the company appears. There is no need to enable any of the feature to record transactions in accounting vouchers. So press Ctrl A. Now we need to create ledgers. So in Gateway of Tally, go to Create and go to Ledger. First, HDFC Bank. It comes under bank account. And there is opening balance also, right? 50,000. Then press Ctrl A. Next, ICICI Bank. It also comes under bank account and opening balance is 30,000. Control A. Next, there is petty cash also. Petty cash, that comes under cash in hand, and there is no opening balance for this. So press Ctrl A. There is opening balance for cash account also. So press Escape and go to Alter, go to Ledger, go to cash account and give the opening balance. How much? 1 lakh. Then press Ctrl A. Now we need to enter the transactions in contra voucher. So go to vouchers and the accounting voucher screen appears. So now we are recording transactions in contra voucher. So the shortcut key of contra voucher is F4. So press F4 in your keyboard. Here the contra voucher screen appears and this is the voucher number, and in right side there is F2 date and F3 company. If you want to change the date for each transaction, then press F2 in your keyboard to change date for each transactions in contra voucher. Not only contra voucher, in every voucher. And these are the credit and debit symbols, and in below there is narration also, and quit, accept, cancel voucher, and F12 configuration. Coming to F12 configuration, it helps you to change default settings as per your needs and control access to certain data. It's like customizing your Tally Prime experience to fit your business needs. This F12 configuration appears on every screen as it allows you to quickly access and modify configuration settings from anywhere in the application. So the main purpose of the F11 configuration is if you want to make any change of the present application, then press F12 button in your keyboard and make changes and press Ctrl A to save the changes. This is how we need to access F12 configuration. Now let us enter each transaction in contra voucher. First, on 1/6/2024, cash of 3,000 deposited into HDFC Bank. Here there are two accounts. One is cash account and another is HDFC Bank account. Here HDFC Bank is a personal account and also comes under real account. Here cash is a real account. We are depositing cash in HDFC Bank account. So HDFC, as per personal rule, it is in receiving position and cash is going out. So HDFC Bank account debit to cash account. First we need to give the date 1/6/24. Here there is credit symbol, right? We need to credit cash account as cash is going out. How much? 3,000. And debit the HDFC Bank account. After giving transaction and the bank allocation screen appears, if it is necessary, give bank name. Specify the bank name. HDFC. Control A. Then press Ctrl A to save the transaction. Next, on 1/7/2024, cash of 4,500 deposit into ICICI Bank. Same rule appears applicable here also. The entry is ICICI Bank account debit to cash account. First change the date 1/7/24. Credit cash account. How much? 4,500 and debit ICICI Bank account. So press Ctrl A. Next, on 1/7/2024, check of ICICI deposit into HDFC Bank of 1,500. Here it is a bank-to-bank transaction. Means the amount of 1,500 transfer from ICICI Bank to HDFC Bank account. So the entry is HDFC Bank account debit to ICICI Bank account. First we need to credit ICICI Bank account. How much? 1,500 and debit HDFC Bank account. So press Ctrl A. Next, on 1/8/2024, cash of 2,000 withdrawn from ICICI Bank account. Here we are withdrawing cash from ICICI Bank account. So cash is coming in. Debit the cash account and credit ICICI Bank account. First we need to change the date 1/8/24. We need to credit ICICI Bank account. How much? 2,000 and debit cash account as cash is coming in. Control A. And on 1/9/2024, check of HDFC Bank deposited into ICICI Bank of 1,000. It is also bank-to-bank transaction. Here HDFC Bank is transferring amount to ICICI Bank account. So ICICI Bank account debit to HDFC Bank account. 1/9/24. Credit HDFC Bank account. How much? 1,000 and debit ICICI Bank account. Next, here on 1/10/2024, cash withdrawn from HDFC Bank. Here we are withdrawing cash from HDFC Bank of 5,000 rupees. So the entry is cash account debit to HDFC Bank account. 1/10/24. Credit HDFC Bank account 5,000 and debit cash account as we withdrawing cash as cash is coming in. Control A. Next, on 1/12/2024, cash withdrawn from ICICI Bank. Same rule applicable here also. Cash account debit to ICICI Bank account on 1/12/24. Yes, ICICI Bank account credit. How much? 1500 to debit cash account. Control A. Next, on 1/1/2025, check deposited into HDFC of 2500 from ICICI Bank account. Again, bank to bank transaction. Here, amount of 2500 transferring from ICICI Bank to HDFC Bank account. So, our HDFC Bank account debit to ICICI Bank account. 1/1/25. We need to credit ICICI Bank account. How much? 2500. Then debit HDFC Bank account. Next, on 1/2/2025, cash withdrawn from HDFC Bank account. Cash account debit to HDFC Bank account. HDFC Bank account credit. How much? 1500. And debit cash account. On 1/3/2025, cash withdrawn from HDFC Bank account. Same, credit HDFC Bank account 500 and debit cash account. We need to give the date also. What's your date? 1/3/25. 1/3/25. Yes. Control E. And on 1/3/2025, petty cash 25,000. This petty cash account is different from main cash account, as we transferring funds from cash account to petty cash account. So this is nothing but cash to cash transaction. It also comes under contra voucher. So credit cash account, as cash is transferring from cash account to petty cash account. So credit cash account how much? 25,000 and debit petty cash account. So press Control A. This is how we need to enter transactions in contra voucher. Now how to view the records in Tally Prime. If you don't want to disturb the current screen and if you want to view the reports, then press Ctrl+G in your keyboard to, and in that under common reports go to cash or bank book. Here the cash or bank summary statement appears. It is nothing but the balances. These are the balances. It is cash in hand and bank accounts. And this is how we need to view the reports of cash or bank summary. And the alternative way is in gateway of Tally, go to display more reports and in that enter into account books and enter into cash or bank books. It is the alternative way to view the cash or bank summary statement. Thanks for watching. If you want to receive more updates on Tally Prime accounting and related topics, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to receive latest updates.